Hello and welcome to What's Treading with Tire Review. My name is David. I am the editor of Tire Review, and today in studio we have Dale Harrigle. He is the Chief Engineer of Replacement Tires at Bridgestone Americas. Dale, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me. Excited to be here.
So some news came across my desk the other day about a new tire that you have released to the marketplace, and it intrigued me because it's a UHP tire, it's an all-season tire, and it's got a lot of these really cool technologies that Bridgestone has developed for other tires, but it's kind of the first time that they're being shown in a UHP tire. So can you just kind of lay out the basics for this new tire?
Sure. Our new tire is the Potenza Sport all-season. It builds off of our existing tire in the market, which was the Potenza RE980 AS Plus.
Mm-hmm. Very popular.
And yes, very popular. Been very successful on Tire Rack so far. We released that about 2.5-3 years ago. And while we were releasing the 980 AS Plus, we were looking toward what new technologies could we incorporate into an all-new tire. And we've developed the Potenza Sport all season to kind of capture those new technologies. Has excellent wet and dry performance. Mm-hmm. It's great in the snow. So it is a true all-season tire. And we're really looking for this tire to be for the consumer that's excited to drive their car. Someone that's excited to drive their car. Maybe they have a nice car. Maybe they have a third car they kind of use on the weekends. You know, that's really where this tire is focused. It is a UHP tire. It can do all the things that a UHP tire can do, but it can also get you through some light snowfall.
Okay. And what sorts of models are you kind of targeting? What car models are you targeting with this tire?
I think this is really geared toward, like, Subaru BRZ was pivotal in our development. Audi A4, BMW 3 Series, M3, really across that, sporty performance line, those types of vehicles.
And are there any sort of geographical locations that you're expecting this tire to perform well, or you're hoping that it will?
I think it's going to perform well all across the country. I mean, obviously, as you get much further north, we're sitting here in Akron. As you get much further north, you're probably going to have consumers that want to have like a dedicated winter tire if they're in a region that gets a lot of snow. Mm-hmm. But depending on the data source, about 55% of the U.S. population gets some snow every winter. So this would be a perfect tire if you're in that region where you might get one light snowfall a year, and you just want that confidence that you're going to be okay, you're going to get where you're going. And it's also going to be a great tire, down in Florida in the wet. It has excellent wet performance. So really, I think this is good all over the country.
Man, I am jealous of that other 45% that does not get the snow that we get here in Akron. So, speaking of Akron, right in our backyard at the Technical Center, I know a lot of R&D for this tire happened at that location. And we kind of teased some of the technology that is in this tire. Can you go into that a little bit?
Sure. Bridgestone has 3 technology centers around the globe. We have one in Rome, one in Japan, Kodaira, Japan. And we have our Americas Technology Center here in Akron, Ohio, just down on South Main Street. And really, we have about 500 engineers, designers, compounders, technicians that work on technology development for North and South America here in Akron. And one of the key components to the performance of the Potenza Sport all season is what we're calling our Peak Life polymer. And Peak Life polymer was developed right here in Akron. We do have a polymer facility here in Akron. And Peak Life is very interesting in that it greatly improves the wear performance of the compound over what we had previously in the RE980 AS Plus. And the way it does that is by bonding more thoroughly with the silica. Silica is a component in the tread compound. And Peak Life actually improves the bonding with the silica, which allows the tread to wear longer. So once we have that better wear, now we can do things with the tread pattern that we may not have been able to do if we needed to preserve that wear. We call it stretching the string. You've probably heard that term before. But now we can open the pattern up, perhaps get some snow performance, get some wet performance, because we have the Peak Life polymer to help us build that wear performance.
And what are some of those things that you're able to do, specifically with that tread that maybe you would not have been able to do without this new polymer?
I think it's primarily in the area of adding edges.
Okay.
We can add sipes, we can add slots, we can add edges to improve our wet and snow performance while not necessarily degrading the wear performance.
Got it. Got it. Okay. So your Enliten technology, it's something that has been featured in other Bridgestone tires, but my understanding is that this is the first tire that's a UHP tire that features that technology. What is the story behind that? What is the kind of benefit of a UHP tire having this technology?
Well, I think let me back up a little bit. Enliten is kind of our Bridgestone technology that we're using to talk to the consumer around sustainability. I was doing a little research last night, and I noticed that Bill Nyura, our director of sustainability, was on What's Treading podcast about a year ago. So he talked about sustainability in terms of, Waiuli rubber and post-recycled content into new tires. Enliten is our technology to encapsulate all of that and capture that. And the key Enliten feature in the Potenza Sport All Season is the peak life polymer, because Bridgestone's position is if the tire wears longer, if we get more wear life, that is more sustainable. It's better for the consumer. So, we like tires, but, most consumers don't want to go to the tire store and buy tires. If they have to buy fewer tires, they have to use fewer tires, that's more sustainable for the planet. So that's one of Bridgestone's core goals as a company, and that's one of the ways that we're wrapping Enliten technology into this tire.
That makes a ton of sense for sure. So I want to go back to that tread pattern that we were talking about just a moment ago, because in your press materials here, you're looking for this tread pattern to excel in various climates, have great handling, have great wet performance, make little noise. That's a lot for that tread pattern to be accomplishing. So how are you doing that at the design level?
One of the things that we really bring to the table here in Akron is this is where all of our tread pattern designers are. We have pattern designers, we have attribute engineering, which actually deals with wet traction or snow traction independently, try to figure out how we best optimize those. We also have an advanced product engineering team, which did a fantastic job on this tire. And they're the ones that really bring all those attributes together. So in terms of how we deliver the performance, really for a UHP tire, if you think about wanting to maximize dry, you want, just like a race tire, you want to put as much rubber on the ground as you can. And then we think about how do we incorporate the wet? Well, you incorporate wet with the grooves, and then you add slots to allow area for water to displace into. And then snow is pretty much edges. So we add sipes, we add our 3D sipes. You'll notice in the tread pattern that the sipes have a 2D zigzag, and that 2D zigzag continues in 3 dimensions down into the tread surface. And what that allows the blocks to do is the sipes actually interlock under braking. So the two halves of the tread block broken by a sipe actually act like one big tread block in braking and traction, which allows you to have that biting edge when you need it. But also if you're doing a high G maneuver or a high performance maneuver, the block acts more like one continuous piece of rubber. So that's actually a really interesting technology. We have 3D sipes in a lot of our products. Potenza Sport All Season is the first example of what we're calling ultra thin sipes, where that sipe that's put into the rubber is actually quite thin, which allows for a significant improvement in the interlocking of those sipes.
Man, sometimes you think of tires and they're all black and round, who cares? But then we get into these conversations of this kind of like the deep chemistry, the deep technology that it takes to make these tires perform the way that you expect them to. It just blows my mind sometimes. That's some really, really cool stuff.
Yeah, we have a lot of talented people that have worked on this project. We have a lot of talented people at Bridgestone, and the engineering, I don't think the general public understands just how much engineering goes into tires. And because we will design, one particular development size or a handful of development sizes, but Potenza Sport All Season is going to be ultimately available in 76 different sizes. So we have to expand the tread pattern features from a 205 to a 305 section width. So we're actually looking at, the width of the groove, the width of the sipe, how many zigzags does the sipe have for a given length? What does that 3D profile look like into the tread? All of those features are developed specifically for each individual size.
That's amazing.
It's quite interesting, the amount of engineering time and the amount of design, development, drafting time that goes into each individual size to ensure that we're getting the performance that we want.
And then, we're adding in this Y speed rating, which is significant, not necessarily just for a UHP tire, but this is the first time that your technology center has developed this Y speed rating for a consumer replacement tire. So what is kind of the significance of something like that?
The significance of that is really driven by how the market has changed over the last couple of years. We've seen V, W, and Y are really the three top speed ratings, and we've seen W speed rated tires on vehicles like a Toyota Corolla. And it's really where, with the industry, the way the industry has gone, a lot of tire retailers now, if they open the driver's door and they see on the placard that the vehicle came from the factory with a Y speed rated tire, their policy is to only sell that customer a Y speed rated tire to replace it. So if Bridgestone doesn't provide a Y speed rated tire in that size, we're not even part of the conversation.
That's a great point.
So adding those Y speed ratings to the Potenza Sport all season, I think it's a great thing because it gets us in that conversation. And another perfect example is the brand new C8 Corvette you can get from the factory on all-season tires. So that kind of shows how all-season tires have progressed into the high-performance space, into the customer expectation for a high-performance type of car.
Yeah, most definitely. And is this available today?
It is available today. It's available today. It was launched September 1st in 48 sizes. By the end of the first quarter of 2024, we'll have an additional 28 sizes for a total of 76.
Very nice. Well, Dale, thank you so much for joining me here today. You're really blowing my mind with a lot of this technology that you're getting into, so thank you for really taking this deep dive here.
Happy to be here. Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. And thank you all for joining us. We'll see you next time. Take care.